This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off your online status on Telegram. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Telegram here. I have the Telegram app opened up now. To turn on or off your online status, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now, in the little dialog box that opens up, you want to go down to where it says Privacy and Security and click on Privacy and Security. Then you want to go down to the Privacy section, and in the Privacy section, right here, Last Seen and Online. As you can see, by default, yours is probably set to everybody, but you can click on it. Then it gives you 3 different choices. Who can see my last seen time? Everybody, my contacts, or nobody. Below that, it says, unless you are a premium user, you won't see last seen or online status for people with whom you don't share yours. Approximate times will be shown instead. Down below that, you could add exceptions, never share with, and you could click on Add Users, and then you would go down to the bottom and you would click on Save. That is how to turn on or off your online status on Telegram. Thanks for watching.